Our task was the grabbing task. We compared two subjects in two different conditions. Condition 1 was head turning while reaching to the back seat. Condition 2, the head was kept straight. The biomechanical differences between the two tasks are as followed. In condition 1, the subjects had cervical rotation and cervical lateral flexion to accomplish the task. In condition 2, there was no cervical rotation or lateral flexion. The cervical muscles were isometrically contracting in condition 2. There was more shoulder extension, external rotation, and abduction in condition 2 versus condition 1. There was less trunk rotation and side bending in condition 2 versus condition 1. Initial forward posture. Both subjects are initially positioned in the car facing forward with no trunk or cervical rotation. Phase 2, Initial Continuation Rotation. The initial continuation rotation phase is between the initial starting position and the grab phase of actually obtaining the bottle. Phase 3, Grabbing the object. The grab phase is when the subject obtains the bottle from the back seat by grabbing it. Phase 4, Final Continuation Rotation. The final continuation rotation phase is when the subject is coming from the back seat, rotating back towards the front seat until in starting position. Phase 5, Final Forward Posture. The final forward posture phase is when the subject returns to the initial starting position. In Phase 1, Subject 1 showed more elbow extension than Subject 2. In Phase 2, Subject 1 demonstrated more trunk lateral flexion to the right as well as more trunk rotation to the right. In Phase 3, Subject 1's wrist was slightly more extended compared to Subject 2. In Phase 4, Subject 1 showed more trunk rotation to the left and the wrist remained neutral while holding the bottle. Additionally, Subject 1's hand almost leaves the steering wheel. In Phase 5, Subject 1 shows more elbow extension than Subject 2. All the differences were the same besides the fact that Subject 1 needed to have more exaggerated movement to perform the same task as Subject 2. This was due to the elimination of the cervical rotation and cervical flexion.